So good morning students. As we completed our poem A House, a Home yesterday, so I want you to tell me the difference. What is the difference between a house and a home? So Asik, you just tell me what is the difference?
Ma'am, a house is a place which is made up of cement, bricks, stone, etc. Ma'am, but a home is a place which has feeling of all family members, in which all family members live together with happiness.
Very good. Right answer means a house is just a physical structure, a building that is made up of wood, stone, bricks, etc., etc. What material is required to make a building, that is known as a house. But home बनता है, घर बनता है हमें हमारे एक दूसरे के साथ प्यार से, where we live in love with each other and where we care for one another, right? So right answer. So there are some blanks, 4 blanks at the back of your chapter. So should we do it? You would raise your hand and I'll ask you one by one. A house is made of Harikesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
A house is made up of stone and bricks.
Stone, brick, cement, wood, kuch bhi, any material you can name. It has dash. Mannat. Mannat. Beta unmute yourself. Hirat Sen. Huh?
It has chimneys, tile floors, stucco roofs, and etc.
Very good. A home is made by dash. So next turn is of Gurnaz.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, it's made by brick cement.
नहीं बेटा जी, वो तो house होता है. I'm talking about how home. A home is made by.
Feelings.
Yes, it is made by feelings with love, affection with each other, right? So it has dash. Yashu.
It has father, mother, brother, and sister.
Okay. So in a home, there are people, there are our relatives where parents are there, siblings are there, our relatives are there. है ना? तभी हमारी feeling उनके साथ आती है. If we have some relatives at our home, so it has father, mother, parents, siblings, etc. Right answers. So that means this poem is clear to you. Now today I'll send you an extract. Extract होता है poem का कोई भी छोटा सा part. For example, this is the poem in front of you. उसमें से अगर मैं आपको first 4 lines दे देती हूँ, what is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that are some window glass and perhaps a yard, right? So when I give you these lines, so I can ask you some questions related to those lines only. Not out of that, but related to those lines only. For example, I have given you this stanza and you are to recognize the name of the poem or name of the poet. So I told you yesterday how to write the name of the poem. The same way as it has been given in your book. हर एक वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल. ए कैपिटल, एच कैपिटल, ए कैपिटल, एच कैपिटल. अगर आप सारे लेटर्स स्मॉल में लिखोगे या सारे लेटर्स कैपिटल में लिखोगे, देन योर आंसर विल बी मार्क्ड रॉन्ग. ओके, सो यू हैव टू टेक दिस थिंग इनटू योर कंसिडरेशन कि हमें टाइटल कैसे लिखना है. एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड द नेम ऑफ द पोएट. The name of the poet.
मैम.
Yes.
मैम सेकंड ब्लैंक्स का क्या आंसर था मैम हाउस वाला?
Saksham, we can discuss it better later on. You should not disturb your teacher like this. Sit sensibly and properly and mute yourself. Second blank का आंसर है it has doors, windows, chimneys, eaves, tile floors, etc. etc. and the name of the poet is Lauren M. Hulley. Although all the letters have been given in capital, but you need not to write all the letters in capital. आप normal जैसे हम एक नाम लिखते हैं वैसे ही लिखेंगे, but L, M and H should be capital. Okay? So, और कोई क्वेश्चन आपको पूछा जा सकता है इस पैराग्राफ में से, स्टैंजा में से? I mean, what is it made of? It is brick and stone and wood. That's hard. ये है ना इसका आंसर बनता. So we can say a house is made up of bricks, stones and hardwood. So like this questions can be asked. So today you will get an assignment where I'll give you 2 stanzas, 2 extracts to solve. I hope this thing is clear to you, right? So if you have still any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, students, the next task that we are going to do today is a writing task, that is message writing. Okay, any one of you just tell me what is a message. When I say message writing, does something come to your mind? आपको दिमाग में कोई पिक्चर बनती है कि मैम ने मैसेज राइटिंग बोला है तो उस मैसेज राइटिंग में क्या होगा? यस, रेज योर हैंड बेटा. एनीवन, जो भी आपको मैसेज के बारे में पता है, यू कैन टेल मी. एटलीस्ट मैसेज तो पता ही है कि मैसेज क्या होता है. हरी अप, रेज योर हैंड. यस प्रणय.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
A message is the information that we give to another person.
Very nice. Clap for Pranay. The right answer, message is any information that we give to some other person. So message writing, the same meaning is there also. जब हम किसी को मैसेज किसी और पर्सन का देना चाहते हैं, when someone's message is delivered to the third person, then what do? We write that message for him. Suppose किसी का फोन आया हमारे घर में, मैं मदर हूं, मेरी बेटी की फ्रेंड का फोन आया and I attended that phone. She gave some message for my daughter, but coincidentally I have to leave for somewhere. मुझे घर से कहीं जाना है and that message is very urgent to deliver to my daughter. So in that case, what would I do? I will write that message on a slip or on a page and I'll keep that slip at some place, एक ऐसी जगह जहां की वो पढ़ सके. जैसे ही वो घर में आएगी, आपको कहीं जाना है बट वो मैसेज डिलीवर करना जरूरी है किसी और का, वेयर दैट थर्ड पर्सन इज नॉट अवेलेबल विद यू. वो थर्ड पर्सन अवेलेबल नहीं है, उसको मैसेज कैसे दोगे? दैट विल बी गिवन इन अ रिटन फॉर्म. तभी हम इसको कह रहे हैं मैसेज राइटिंग. वो मैसेज मैंने लिख दिया, नाउ आई वांट टू डिलीवर दैट मैसेज टू माय डॉटर. सो जब मैं वो लिख दूंगी तो क्या होगा? वो जब भी आएगी, whenever she'll return to home, she will read that message. Okay? So before we do this writing tasks, I want you to watch this video. Would you like to enjoy this video? चलिए, let's listen to it, let's watch it. Is it audible? Asha ma'am, is it audible?
No, ma'am. No.
No? Okay, wait. As it is a new concept for you. Well, a message writing is a piece of writing from one person to another where the other person is unavailable for some reason. Mostly the medium of message is telephonic. So, if the person for whom the message is meant is not available, then someone else receives the message and conveys it to the other in written format. Right? So here I am going to give you an example where you will listen to a telephonic conversation between Astha's mother Abha and Astha's friend Sanya, where Astha is not present at home and Astha's mother Abha receives Sanya's message and now she has to write it for Astha. As now listen to the telephonic conversation between both of them.
Hello, may I speak to Astha, please?
I'm sorry, she's not at home. May I know who's calling?
I'm Sanya, her classmate. Who is there?
I'm Astha's mother.
Namaste, Auntie.
Namaste beta, how are you?
I'm fine, Auntie. Could you please convey my message to her?
Sure, why not?
Please inform her that the science exam has been postponed from 22 April to 24th April, Friday.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you, Auntie.
Okay, I'll inform her. Bye beta.
Bye, Auntie.
So, did you listen to the conversation? Here on this slide, I have also written the conversation for your reference and you can read it out from here also. Now, as Astha has gone for her tuition classes and her mother Abha also has to leave for her kitty party. So, what would she do? She would leave a message for Astha. Yes, that's right. Now, she would leave a message for Astha in a written format as Astha is not at home and Abha also has to leave for her kitty party. So here you are to write this message on behalf of Abha. Before writing the actual message, let's discuss the format of message writing. As you can see on your slide, message is always written inside a box. So draw a box, then give heading message, that too in capital letters MESSAGE, followed by day, date and time. Now the person for whom the message is meant, you will write his or her name, that is salutation. And after that you will write the content of the message, body of the message. And the language can be informal. You need not to worry about the formal language here. And at the end, sender's name is written in. Yes, beta, here I just want to explain. For writing a message, you are to draw a box. एक box draw करना ज़रूरी है. Box के अंदर ही message लिखा जाएगा. This is the format which you have to take care of. बिना format के आपको number नहीं मिलेंगे. तो उससे होगा क्या, जब आप एक draw कर लोगे box, after that आपको heading देनी है message, MESSAGE, and it is to be written in bold letters, I mean in capital letters. Capital letter में लिख लिया. फिर जिस दिन आपको मैसेज देना है वो डे लिखेंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मंडे और वेंसडे, देन डेट, जो उस दिन डेट होगी, और टाइम, जब आपने फोन कॉल अटेंड की और जब आप किसी के लिए मैसेज छोड़ रहे हो वो टाइम लिखोगे. एंड देन यू विल राइट सैल्यूटेशन. सैल्यूटेशन मीन्स जिसके लिए वो मैसेज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर मैसेज वॉज फॉर आभा. आभा के लिए मैसेज है तो यहाँ लिखा जाएगा, सॉरी आस्था के लिए मैसेज है तो लिखा जाएगा डियर आस्था. ओके, सो डियर आस्था के बाद वॉट एवर द मैसेज इज कि योर फ्रेंड कॉल्ड मी टू इन्फॉर्म that your science exam has been postponed from this date to that date. आपने वो टेलीफोनिक कन्वर्सेशन सुनी थी ना जिसमें बताया गया था कि ये मैसेज है, then you will write that message. So sender's name, आपने वो मैसेज लिख दिया. इट शुड बी इनफॉर्मल, कोई फॉर्मेलिटी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़े से वर्ड्स में लिखना है, इसकी वर्ड लिमिट भी बहुत कम होती है. एंड इन द एंड यू विल राइट सेंडर्स नेम. सेंडर्स नेम मीन्स जिसने मैसेज लिखा है. लिखा किसने था? आभा ने, आस्था की मदर ने. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ मैसेज राइटिंग. नाउ वॉच द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो इनसाइड द बॉक्स. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस इट्स मार्किंग स्कीम. Message writing is of 5 marks, in which format contains 2 marks and content contains 3 marks. Here I want to mention that format and content both are equally important for a message writing.
right? Don't just think that I have written the content well, I need not to worry about the format. No, that is not there. You are to follow the proper format of the message writing. Here I am mentioning some important points. Those are to be considered while writing a message. Message must be written in a box. Day, date and time must be mentioned. To write salutation is very important, because if we don't know for whom the message is meant, then there is no logic to leave the message. While writing content, begin with who called and why did he call. Yes, this is equally important, because if we don't tell the person that who called for the other person and why did he call for him, then the authenticity of the message will be lost. Write only important things. Information should be as accurate as possible. Make short sentences, and you can use any tense as per the situation demands. Now, word limit should be 50 words, right? So, these were all the important things. Now, coming on to the actual message writing. So, as you listened to the conversation, if you remember, you listened to a conversation between Abha and Sanya. So, on the basis of that conversation, now we are to write the message. So, first of all, draw a box, give heading message in capital letters. Today is Saturday and date is 18 April 2020. Let's assume time is 4 p.m. Now we would start message from salutation. So here the message is meant for Astha. So we would start, Dear Astha, Sanya rang up to inform you that your science exam has been postponed from 22 April to 24 April Friday. I am going to my kitty party. The food is lying in the fridge. See you at 7 p.m. in the evening. And who received the message? It was received by her mother Abha. So she would write her name also.
So बेटा आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू. जो मैसेज था उसके लिए कि किसने फोन किया, किसके लिए किया, क्यों किया, हु डिड कॉल एंड व्हाई डिड ही कॉल. सान्या ने फोन किया था टू टेल दैट साइंस एग्जाम हैज बीन पोस्टपोन्ड, और वो अपने बारे में भी बता रही है कि व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग दिस मैसेज बिकॉज आई विल नॉट बी एट होम व्हेन यू रिटर्न. आई एम गोइंग टू किटी पार्टी. उसको बच्चा है उसका, तो उसने थोड़ा सा फूड के बारे में भी बता दिया, राइट. एंड सी यू एट 7 p.m. नेक्स्ट.
So, did you notice that this message was followed by a proper format and accurate content is given in this message? Everything is taken care of, like format. Format means box, day, date, time, salutation, sender's name, etc. In this way, you are to write the message.
Yes, beta, I hope this format is clear to you. Rest, if you feel any doubt, you can ask me. Right? You are always welcome with your queries. Thank you.